And talking to the investors who were running around talking to lots of companies, their feeling was that there was a new maturity coming into the mining sector, that they were going to see 4 or 5 new projects being built out of the range of juniors they were looking at, and that these would be successful entrepreneurial companies, you know, that would lead the industry going forwards. And so they seemed very happy that they were able to find businesses that were growing, developing in the right way, and that would require major scale financing through the next 3-6 months.
So Emmerson is listed on the London Stock Exchange under the ticker EML on the main board, and in June of last year we acquired the Chemisette Potash project, which is located in northern Morocco. We set about doing a scoping study for the project, which we delivered in November of last year, and it really showed that this project is absolutely world class. It's among the lowest capital cost potash projects in the world, and due to its location amongst the highest margin potash projects in the world. So absolutely outstanding economics and fundamentals for the project as we currently see it in the scoping study, which makes it certainly very strategically valuable. 2019 is going to be a huge year of news flow for the company. We have a lot of work going on the ground, commencing with drilling, which is ongoing at the moment. We'll start to see drill results flowing from that in the coming weeks and months. That'll continue to the middle of the year, where we'll aim to put out a resource update, which will be about increasing the confidence of that resource but also expanding the resource. And then we'll roll straight into the feasibility study, which really starts to try and nail down the technical aspects of this project as we move it one step closer to construction. An asset like this in the hands of a junior is incredibly strategically valuable, and so we'll also be assessing whether or not we can find some strategic partners to help us with the eventual financing of this mine at some point in the future. So a very exciting time for us as a company, a world-class asset in the hands of a junior, and plenty of upside and news flow for our shareholders in the coming 12 months.
WRES Resources is focused on tungsten and tin in Spain and Portugal, and we've also got a great gold mine. Our large-scale flagship asset, La Perla, is funded by BlackRock. It's basically 2 months away from construction completion, and we're in production. We're going to take that production from 20 tonnes a month to 200 tonnes per month through this year, and that's going to generate very significant cash flows for WRES Resources investors in 2019, going into 2020. In addition to La Perla, which is our big asset, we've got a tungsten mine, Regua, in northern Portugal, and we've got the São Martinho gold discovery in central Portugal.
We're a London-listed, AIM-listed junior explorer operating in West Africa. We've got licenses in Senegal and in Cameroon. Our Senegal licenses are currently under joint venture with IAM Gold of Canada. They're earning in a $8 million earning on those licenses, and targeting the southern end initially, which is close to their neighbouring Boto mine development project, which is currently under permit. In Cameroon, some new licenses for us, which we brought into the company last year. We have 2 licenses there, one trenching and geological mapping and one at soil sampling stage. It's a new area for us, but it's also a new area, we think, for the junior mining sector. We're the only junior operating gold exploration on the ground in Cameroon right now. There's a little bit of other commodity work in Cameroon, but all the other gold work over there is really artisanal at this stage. So we believe we've got a first mover advantage in Cameroon. The company's undergone a bit of a rebrand in the last 12 months, and we have some legacy assets from the prior incarnation back up in Turkey, and also some shareholdings in a couple of small companies in Burkina Faso, Tanzania, and Egypt and Djibouti. So we're moving forward with our exploration efforts and enjoying the benefits of a quiet market to focus on getting some boots on the ground, getting some good geology done, getting some results in. Q1 is going to be a pretty big start to the year for us. We have a lot of results coming out of both the drill programs in Dalafin in Senegal and from our on-trenching programs in Cameroon. So we look forward to some good news flow. and hopefully a very exciting and positive year for Oriole Resources.